We made it to Switzerland. We just went to the gas station and they have some pretty fresh stuff. It's a very walkable city so far. We're actually staying just outside of it. Okay, we're going to check into the hotel. Little one. We're waiting on the train to go into city center for our tour. A tour. Yeah.
Fill it up in there.
Does it like recycle or is it just fresh water pumped in every time?
It's fresh water.
Oh.
From the German. It is all German. German is the biggest language group.
Dogs everywhere. Yeah. It got cold really fast, but we're still on the tour. I think it's almost over because it's been 2 hours. And so, yeah, I'm moving the camera up because I need my hands in my jacket pocket. Morning, guys. We're on our way to the main train station for a tour to Lucerne. And it's a little crappier day out so far. Hopefully, we get the good weather like we did yesterday.
Yeah, it's a lot here.
To the left-hand side, we have the Zurich River. The Zurich River comes 50 kilometers from the central part of Switzerland, from the biggest artificial Lake Zurich.
So the bus dropped us off here first, and it's to see the lion. It stands for like Swiss soldiers that stood outside the Vatican to help protect them. Yeah. There's like 3 branches in there. Are we going that way? Oh. Church Bridge, which is, like, if you look at pictures of Lucerne, it's one of the first things that pop up.
Starbucks right there.
Ah. Well, we can, maybe we can get off, walk across, take pictures, and get Starbucks. Or you the boat cruise. Came to McDonald's to see what they had, and they have a full cafe area. So my McDonald's was actually pretty good. Like the hamburger, it tastes like real meat and not like processed meat like it does in the US. You didn't like it?
I didn't like it, no.
Sorry.
Yep.
Getting back on the tour bus to go to Zurich. We just made it back to the hotel after the tour. We walked around a little bit, but the best part about Zurich, I would say, is the transportation. Like, it's so easy to navigate. That was like the best thing. The worst thing is probably the price of food. On the way back, we stopped at a Chinese place and got one meal. It was 1850 franc, and they didn't know what rice was. So we're gonna open it together. We got sweet and sour chicken and noodles. Actually, it looks promising. It looks promising. Almost. So our flight's tomorrow, so I'm just gonna wrap up the vlog and say Switzerland was pretty good. I think Lucerne was better than Zurich though. So if you come, keep it in mind. Bye! Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe or hit the like button for more videos.